Hello, here's a little information about AP US History at Eastridge High School. We have lots of different kinds of activities to help the students learn the historical thinking skills for being able to be successful at on the APUSH exam in May. This is the textbook that we use in class. These are the enduring understandings. Basically, we have 9 historical periods that we teach about for AP US history. The first 5 are there, and then up to period 9 as well. We cover these in the time period before the AP exam, and then we have a little time for review. Some of the most successful things that we have going are that students have their own Chromebooks, definitely, that they bring blue or black pens to class because the AP writing requires students to write in blue or black ink when they're doing their short answer questions, long essay questions, and document-based questions. Working together in small groups is always good. We really hit the key concepts hard. Why study AP US history? Well, students learn about US history for knowledge and application. It does prepare you for college. Understanding the past helps create a better future, of course. And then many colleges accept AP successful exams for college credit. It is a lot of work. It's a lot of reading. You have to be active in your learning. It's a daily commitment, and be ready to discuss. That's important because that helps each other to be able to learn. As much as this class promises to be, it will be these things, A through Z. If you have any questions, please seek out Ms. Newcomb or Ms. Haley. Have a great day.